Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to retrieve Candy Crush levels. Losing your game progress can be frustrating, but thankfully, there's a reliable way to get it back. Your Candy Crush progress isn't stored just on your phone, it's securely saved in the cloud. This means that by linking your game to a specific account, you can always restore your hard-earned levels and items, no matter what device you're playing on. Let's dive into the one and only method to ensure your progress is safe and sound. The fundamental principle behind retrieving your Candy Crush levels is cloud saving. When you connect your game to either a King account or your Facebook profile, all your game data, from your current level to your accumulated boosters, is automatically backed up to their servers. This digital backup is the single most important step. If your game isn't linked, your progress remains solely on your device, making it impossible to recover if your device is lost, damaged, or if you simply switch to a new one. Restoring your game is a straightforward process. First, install Candy Crush Saga on your device. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu or settings. You'll find an option to connect or log in. Select the same Facebook or King account you originally used to save your progress. After a brief moment, the game will recognize your account and download your saved data, bringing you right back to your highest achieved level and all your collected items. It's that simple to pick up exactly where you left off. To ensure a smooth restoration, keep a few key points in mind. Always double-check that you're logging into the exact same King or Facebook account you used before. Using a different one will start a new game. Remember, progress made offline won't sync until you have an internet connection. Crucially, avoid starting a brand new game if you're trying to recover an old one, as this could potentially overwrite your valuable saved data. A quick check of your in-game connection status can confirm your progress is safely backed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.